Okay, here I'm going to explain to you about the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now if you can see here, this is a right angle triangle, which means here you have 90 degrees. So Pythagoras theorem can be only applied in a right angle triangle where you will have the longest side of the triangle, so which is called as a hypotenuse. Okay, now for example, so we will have here side B and also the side C. So the formula that we are going to use for Pythagoras theorem is the A square equals to B square plus with C square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem, and always have to make sure that the A here belongs to the longest side of the triangle, which is called as a hypotenuse, and also which is opposite to the 90 degrees. Okay, so this is the formula. So now let us try with the first question. Okay, this is the question 1. So they already give us the hypotenuse value, and this is as a 90 degrees. This is 8 centimeter, and this is x. So we have to find the x value. So now we're just going to use the formula for Pythagoras theorem. A square equals to B square plus with a C square. Okay, now we just have to substitute the values inside, and the B here will be it can be B or it can be X or 8. Okay, the B can be X or 8, so I just replace it over here. So now the 8 square here is going to be moved to the opposite side, so it will become a minus, and we can simplify this, which is about 100, and 8 square here we will have about 64, and this is about x square. So when we solve this, we are getting here about 36. So the x square, anything that is square, when we move to the opposite side, it will become a square root of 36. So where we are getting the x value as a 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is how to use the Pythagoras theorem. Now we go to the second example. Okay, now this is also finding the x value. As you can notice over here, the x value here is the Pythagoras, is the hypotenuse value here. Okay, so we are going to use the formula x square equals to 8 square plus with 5 square. So bear in mind that x here must be always the hypotenuse. So we can find the value here. So here we are getting here about 64 plus with 25, and we are going to add on this. So we are getting here about 89. So the square will move to the opposite side, become a square root. Okay, so when we are calculating this answer, we are getting square root of 89. We are getting here about 9.4 and 34. So we can remake the answer like this. Okay, so this is your answer.